PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning provides reliable and professional HVAC maintenance services throughout Philadelphia County, PA, helping homeowners and businesses keep their systems running efficiently year-round. Our experienced technicians specialize in comprehensive HVAC care, including system inspections, filter replacement, duct cleaning, and preventative maintenance designed to extend the life of your heating and cooling equipment. Call our HVAC maintenance team if you have any questions. Are you looking for HVAC maintenance near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac Air Duct Cleaning. How do I know if my HVAC system needs maintenance? Common signs include uneven temperatures, unusual noises, poor airflow, higher energy bills, or increased dust in your home. If you notice any of these issues, it's time to schedule service. Is HVAC maintenance really necessary if my system seems to be working fine? Absolutely. Preventative maintenance helps catch small issues before they become major problems, improves efficiency, and extends the lifespan of your system. What is your service area for Philadelphia, Pennsylvania? Our HVAC maintenance has helped clients in Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthorne, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, Fair Hill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewery Town, Kensington, Nicetown, Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where is your HVAC maintenance in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania located? We are located at 7708 City Avenue number 206, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19151. Our phone number is 610-424-6277. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Philadelphia-County.